There are various viewport display options that change how much information we can see in the 3D viewport at any one time. By default, we use solid view, which demonstrates all of the vertices, edges and faces of our objects. In the top corner of the viewport, we can see we actually have 4 options to choose from. The second one is the default, and this is the solid option that we just described. The wireframe option will eliminate the visibility of the faces so that we can see the objects in a wireframe form with the vertices and edges only displayed. We then increase the amount of information with the solid view, which adds the faces onto our geometry. If we want to view our materials and textures, we can do so using the material preview display. And if we want to see the lighting and how it affects our objects, we can use the rendered viewport display, which gives us an idea as to what our images would look like if we were to render them.